Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today's topic is about the washing machine. If the washer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy things you can try to get this appliance back up and running. If you have strange letters or numbers on your display screen, these are error codes. If the washer is not performing like it's supposed to, these can help you determine what is wrong with your washer. Like all things electrical, things can get a little buggy at times. In some cases, you will be able to unplug the power cord and wait a few minutes. This can reset the machine and get you back up and running. If you reset your washer and it's not responding to controls, sometimes this is more of a gunk problem than an electrical one. If your washer has knobs that come off, you can start by cleaning the undersides. The knob post holes, and the general area usually covered by the knobs. This alone can restore some washers back to immediate functionality. If you're still encountering issues with your washer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But by doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that call can save you time and some money. I hope this information helps. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.